Get on up there.
Texas Longhorn bulls arrive for processing. Longhorns descend with careful spacing. The herd moves into holding areas. Workers guide longhorns into holding pens. Easy now, keep them moving. Watch the gate. Gates control the herd flow. Longhorns are secured for inspection. Groups are guided between sections. Herds are monitored before processing. Chuts guide longhorns into controlled lanes. Wider corridors allow smoother movement.
Single-file lanes require precise spacing.
Workers maintain control through the chute. Longhorns rest under controlled conditions. Individual stalls allow close inspection. Feeding ensures stable condition before processing. Split chutes organize the flow efficiently. Each longhorn is weighed before processing. Each animal is identified and marked. Cleaning begins before processing. High-pressure washing cleans the surface thoroughly. Excess water drains after washing. Airflow removes remaining moisture. Animals wait in controlled sequence. Longhorns enter the main processing area. Processing begins with hide handling. Hides are washed and soaked to prepare for treatment. Chemical treatment prepares the hides for further processing. Mechanical scraping removes unwanted material. Fleshing removes excess inner material. Hides are stretched for uniform shape. Hides are dried in controlled conditions. Airflow speeds up the drying process. The dried hide reveals its natural texture. Rollers soften the leather for flexibility. Edges are trimmed for uniform shape. Color treatment enhances the natural patterns. Dyed hides are dried under controlled airflow. Polishing creates a smooth, glossy finish.
Each hide is checked for quality.
Hides are cut into usable sections.
Finished leather is stacked for storage. Leather is wrapped securely for transport.
Finished leather is stored for distribution.
Leather is loaded for shipment. Longhorn horns enter the processing stage. Large horns are handled with care. Horns are sorted by size and shape. The horn base is trimmed for shaping.
Boiling softens the horn for shaping. Softened horns are lifted for processing. The inner core is removed to hollow the horn. Interior cleaning ensures a smooth, hollow structure. External shaping refines the horn form. Fine sanding smooths the horn surface.
Initial polishing begins the shine. Deep polishing creates a mirror-like finish. Each horn is inspected for perfection.
Engraving adds decorative detail.
Final buffing creates a premium finish. Finished Longhorn horns are ready for use.
Horns are measured for standard sizing.
Horns are cut for different product uses.
Horns are shaped into functional products. Interior polishing ensures a smooth finish. Edges are refined for a smooth finish. Final cleaning removes any residue. Products are dried before final packaging. Each product is branded for identity. Each product is checked before packaging.
Products are wrapped for safe delivery.
Products are boxed and labeled.
Boxes are stacked for transport. Packed goods move to dispatch.
Products are loaded for delivery.
Finished products leave the facility.
The iconic Longhorn, defines the process. From raw hide to refined leather. Crafted from raw horn to refined product. Crafted with precision. Defined by legacy. From raw material to refined craft.